I'm Shawan Silva. Uh, Here I'm going to discuss about uh, qualified integers. In this case of int, uh, a variable declaration can be preceded by the type qualified, short, long, unsigned, or signed. Examples are you can declare an integer like this: short int si or long int li unsigned int ui or short unsigned int ui. In that way, in all of these the word int can be omitted uh, because the int is the default, so we can declare a variable like this. And yeah, everything works fine, and we got some warnings here because we didn't use this variable. Um, Here, short and long refer to the number of bits used for storing the integer on a particular machine. Typically, short is 16 bits and long is 32 bits. Int by itself is usually 16 or 32 bits, um, depending on the machine. You will need to read your compiler manual to find out the sizes on your particular machine. The only guarantee that she makes is that a short int is not bigger than an int which is not bigger than a long int. An integer constant is considered long if it is followed by one of the letters L or capital L. For example, I can assign value uh, 537 and I make it long integer like this, and if I run it will be compiled and run. Yeah, it's running fine without errors. And I can assign quite uh, larger value like 348344546 and 677L. This work fine. Yeah, and I can and simple L can also be used to denote here the uppercase letter is recommended since the lowercase l look much like the digit 1. um, Unsigned implies that the value of the variable will never be negative. uh, so if I assign something like ui equal minus 100 and printf the integer value and our unsigned int, and you can see the output. It's printed as minus 100 and so here I assign to a short value, and if I check the effect again, and it is still print as the minus 100. Here basically for unsigned int, the default integer value is printed, that's why it's printed as minus 100. So if you can go and go through the print of this documentation, print function documentation, and find a way to print the unsigned int, then you will get the stored value for unsigned int. And here that unsigned, it can be used to increase the range of positive numbers normally stored. For example, using 16 bits, a variable declared as an int can assume values in range minus 32,607, sorry, minus 32,768 to plus 32,767, but variable declared as unsigned can assume values in range 0 to 65,535. Signed is hardly ever used with int since uh, by default an int declaration assumes a signed integer. Here if we like we can uh, use sign to declare a signed integer, uh, and here we can print the unsigned value by using u, then you can see the actual value stored here. Yeah, this is the value stored in the unsigned variable. And thank you very much.